For decades, people believed that only manual jobs could be replaced by machines. Factory workers, drivers, cashiers. But today, something very different is happening. Artificial intelligence is no longer replacing low-paying jobs. It is replacing high-paying, white-collar jobs, quietly, efficiently, and faster than anyone expected. In this documentary, we explore how AI is changing the job market, who is most at risk, and who is silently benefiting. In the past, technology helped professionals become more productive. Spreadsheets helped accountants. Email helped managers. But AI is not just a tool. AI can now think, analyze, write, code, design, and decide, all at once. Companies are no longer asking, how can AI help our employees? They are asking, how many employees can AI replace? Artificial intelligence did not start by replacing factory workers. It didn't begin with loud machines or assembly lines. It started quietly, inside the glass walls of modern offices. The disruption was invisible, but the impact was immediate. Customer support teams were among the first to be affected. In the past, humans handled every call. Today, AI chatbots handle millions of conversations every day. They don't sleep, they don't get frustrated, and they resolve issues at a fraction of the cost of a human team. Then came data analysis. Tasks that once required teams of junior analysts weeks to complete can now be done instantly. AI systems can process quarterly reports, predict market trends, and identify anomalies in milliseconds. The entry-level analyst role is vanishing. Content creation followed. It wasn't just simple emails. Entire marketing campaigns, technical reports, SEO articles, and legal summaries are now generated in seconds. The machine doesn't suffer from writer's block. It produces endless variations, instantly optimized for engagement. Even programming, once considered safe, was affected. AI tools can now write, debug, and optimize complex code. A single senior architect with AI assistants can now do the work that previously required a large team of junior developers. The hierarchy of software development is collapsing. These were not low-income jobs. Many of them paid more than $70,000 per year. Some paid significantly more. For corporations, this isn't just efficiency. It's a massive transfer of capital from salaries to profits. In many companies, the equation is simple and brutal. One AI system has not just assisted, but replaced dozens of full-time employees. And this is only the beginning. From a business perspective, the decision is simple. It's not emotional. It's mathematical. When executives look at their spreadsheets, they see two lines: the cost of human labor and the cost of artificial intelligence. One is rising, the other is falling towards zero. AI does not take vacations. It does not ask for raises. It does not call in sick during flu season, and it does not quit unexpectedly to join a competitor. The variables that make humans human are seen, in the eyes of a balance sheet, as liabilities. AI works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It produces consistent results at 3 a.m. on a Sunday, just as it does at 9 a.m. on a Monday. It learns from every interaction, constantly optimizing itself, improving over time without expensive training seminars. For large corporations, this is no longer about innovation. The experimental phase is over. Now, it is about efficiency and profit. In a competitive market, if your rival cuts costs by 40% using AI, you have two choices: adapt or die. Replacing employees with AI reduces overhead, increases margins, and most importantly, pleases investors. Wall Street rewards efficiency. Every layoff announcement linked to AI restructuring is often met with a jump in stock price. What started as an experiment has become a survival strategy. Today, AI adoption is discussed in boardrooms not as a technological risk, but as a long-term financial necessity. And there is one final truth. Once a company switches to AI, it rarely goes back. The bridge is burned. The old way of working is gone forever. While many workers are losing their footing, others are climbing faster than ever before. For companies, the math is simple: lower costs, infinite scale. Investors are seeing margins they haven't seen in decades. But the biggest shift is for the small players. A startup of 3 people, armed with AI, can now compete with a corporation of 3,000. The power dynamic is shifting. AI engineers, system architects, and prompt strategists are becoming the new elite. They are not just workers. They are conductors of a digital orchestra. One person can now do the work of an entire department. This isn't just job replacement. It is power redistribution. But for the average worker, the reality is stark. If your job relies on repetitive tasks, clear rules, or predictable outputs, you are in the danger zone. Data entry, basic translation, routine coding, standard legal drafting. These roles are evaporating. The algorithm can do them faster, cheaper, and better. So what survives? The jobs that require the messiness of being human. Creativity, leadership, complex strategy, empathy, negotiation. AI can generate data, but it cannot generate meaning. It can answer questions, but it cannot ask the right ones. The jobs that require true human judgment will survive the longest. Experts agree on one thing. This transition will not be slow. The next 5 years will not be a gradual curve. They will be a vertical cliff. Millions of jobs will change or disappear entirely. New roles will emerge that we don't even have names for yet. In this new world, an AI skill set is more valuable than a traditional 4-year degree. The future does not belong to those who resist. It belongs to those who adapt. The question is no longer if this shift will happen. The question is, who will be ready? The future belongs to those who work with artificial intelligence, not against it.